Liam loved his parents, but he always felt like they never spent enough time with him. Dad, can we play? I'm tired, Liam. Maybe later. Mom, can we go to the park? I have to finish work first, sweetheart. Even when they did spend time with him, Liam always thought, it's not enough. They're always too busy or too tired. One evening, as Liam sat in his room feeling upset, he noticed a small, glowing box on his desk. Curious, he opened it. Inside was a pair of shiny glasses and a tiny note. Wear these to see what others see. Liam put them on, not knowing that his entire world was about to change. The next morning, Liam ran to his dad, ready to ask him to play. But when he looked through the glasses, he gasped. Above his dad's head, he saw a floating list. Wake up early for work. Fix the broken tap. Help Liam with homework. Pay bills. Spend time with Liam. Liam had never seen it before, but now, he understood, Dad had so much to do. At breakfast, Liam turned to his mom. Above her, another list floated. Make breakfast. Do laundry. Finish office work. Spend time with Liam. Cook dinner. Liam's eyes widened. No wonder they were always tired. That evening, Dad sat down next to Liam with a sigh. Okay, Liam, let's play for a bit. Liam saw his list change. Rest no. Play with Liam yes. Even though Dad was tired, he chose to spend time with him. He was making time for Liam, even when he needed to rest. Liam felt something new, gratefulness. His parents weren't ignoring him. They were doing their best to be there for him. The next morning, Liam ran to his parents and hugged them tightly. I know you both work hard. Thank you for always making time for me. His parents looked surprised but smiled warmly. We love you, Liam. Every moment with you is special. From that day on, Liam stopped feeling upset about how much time his parents spent with him. Instead, he cherished every moment because he knew they were giving him the best gift of all, their love. Moral? Parents may be busy, but they always love you. Every moment they spend with you is precious.